Can you say button? No?
You don't want to say button? Why not? What did you do at school today? Why don't you know? Nobody told you what you did today? Why don't you just tell me what you did today? Did you play with people? At school? You got something in your mouth? A dog? Are you eating Chinese food? Dog? Where's the doggy at?
Can I have my shoe back?
Oh,
Oh,
yes,
that's
awesome.
nasty.
Lick my shoe, buddy.
That's nasty. You don't want that.
I want to
No.
lick your shoe, mommy.
Oh, no. Don't give me the poopy face. Hey, come here. I want you
Can
to...
you give Daisy a hug? Can you give Daisy a hug? Can you give Daisy a hug? Can you give Daisy a kiss?
Come here. Are you tired?
Kiss the doggy.
Are you tired? You tired? Okay, bye.